Welcome to Read Happily Ever After channel. The Lion and the Bulls. Once upon a time, a lion observed three bulls grazing together in a vast open field. Many times, the lion attempted to attack them, hoping to make a meal of them. However, the bulls stood together and bravely defended one another. With their sharp horns and powerful hooves, they succeeded in driving the lion away each time. Though the lion knew he was no match for the three united bulls, he could not resist lingering nearby. The thought of such a fine meal was too tempting, even if it seemed impossible to obtain. Then, one unfortunate day, the bulls quarreled among themselves. Their anger caused them to separate, each choosing a different corner of the field, as far from one another as possible. When the lion returned and saw their disunity, he knew his opportunity had come. Without hesitation, he attacked them one by one, for alone they were no match for his strength. The lion devoured them with great satisfaction. The end. For more educational videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.